Welcome to Ken's Travels.
Whoa.
To ocean blue, every step's the dream come true. Canvas travel, living free around the world, just wait and see. Smiles and memories everywhere, lives and adventure.
Oh my God, all this dust out
ready,
here.
here we go.
Oh,
Every
freedom.
corner, stories grow. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the view. The world is waiting just for you.
Sky so wide, Ken's on the move chasing sunrise, from city lights to ocean blue. Every step's a dream come true. Cats traveling free, around worlds just wait to see. Stars and memories everywhere, that's the adventure we all share. Passport ready, here we go. Every corner stories grow. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the view. The world is waiting just for you.
I can hear it already.
Debre Libanos, Ethiopia offers a striking blend of dramatic scenery highlighted by the Injera River Gorge and opportunities to spot unique wildlife, including the endemic Gelada monkeys. Located north of Addis Ababa, this area is a popular destination for those interested in both its natural and historical attractions.
It's like moments like these, man, like where nobody can ever convince me that there's not a God or somebody out here that like did this. So is this the waterfall that's in like the pictures that's advertising the tour?
Yeah, the other side. This is a river. We call this river Injera. It separates the highland and the lowland into two. And the bridge connects both villages. Before the bridge during the rain season, there was no way to connect each other. So the Portuguese Bridge is very important for people who can pass easily.
So I hope y'all can see the bridge, because I'm not getting too much closer to this ledge. And what's like the significance of this area that we're in?
Debre Libanos is a monastic life, to admire the monastic life.
Okay.
A lot of people saying enough for their life, and they go to the monastery. And in the monastery you can see a lot of people very educated, like the doctors, engineers. They say no for the world, and the rest of their life they are kept in the monastery.
I see like religion plays a very huge part in Ethiopia.
Yeah, religion is very important. We are very devoted for our religion. Not only in Debre Libanos, everywhere, every corner of the country. If you travel to the north part of Ethiopia, there are so many monasteries. That monastery, a lot of educated people, even who study in Cambridge University, who study in London. They, after their study and work as a doctor in one of the biggest hospital, then they come here and they connect their life with religion, with Jesus Christ, and they pray. And that's why we are living very, very good. You see some conflict around the world. However, because of our Father's prayer, they are so good.
Do you find it like fascinating each time you come out here, or are you just kind of like over it now and bored?
It's always new for me. I like
Okay.
this place. And I wish if I could stay here for a couple of days. As a job, yes, it's, sometimes it be busy. But staying here for 5 days I know how we will get refreshment. And in the lodge you can stay overnight. There are rooms.
Okay. What the rooms cost like per night?
Per night is about 15 USD.
You said 15?
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I'm just like amazed at just like the natural landscapes, and then just how people are just like living amongst this and living with the land and stuff. And
Yeah.
it's like waking up to a picture every single day. So you said you are with tour companies, but you're like a freelancer, right?
Yeah.
Because I want to give a shout out to your tour company.
Yeah.
So what's the name of your tour company?
My tour company is Voland Ethiopia.
Volan? How you spell it?
VOW Land Ethiopia.
Oh, okay. And can you tell everybody like what type of tours and stuff you do?
We do excursion for a day tour, and we do also multiple days for 5 days in the Omo Valley. We do a tour for the north part of Ethiopia. We do Tigray European churches and Lalibela churches, including the Danakil Depression. So we have a lot of package for short term and long term. We do also food tour, city tour in Addis.
Okay. And you said this area is Debre Libanos? Is that right?
Yeah, this area is called Debre Libanos. Actually, where we go now is the Portuguese Bridge. Portuguese Bridge is right after 200 meters from here. What you see all over the mountain is a Blue Nile Gorge. The Blue Nile Gorge starts here. You know the Blue Nile River. We get the dam, Ethiopian, the biggest dam out of it. Which
Oh wait,
was,
the dam's out here?
a bit, you drive a bit, but this is the start point of the Blue Nile Gorge. However, Ethiopian big dam were inaugurated just last week.
Yeah, I was talking to the other guy because I know saying like Egypt and the other countries of Sudan. Who is it? What other country isn't too
Egypt
happy
and
about
Sudan,
it?
yes.
Egypt and Sudan. Okay. Yeah, so this area is like 2.5 hour drive from Addis Ababa.
Yeah.
You can see these beautiful landscapes out here. It's definitely worth the drive.
Yeah.
Like this is crazy, man. Even got the cactuses out here. And
Yeah.
is there any type of like wildlife out here, or there's not no
Yeah,
coyote?
there is.
We seen a coyote on the way here, y'all. Just crossing the street. There's not no coyotes out here, is there?
Yeah, there is here.
Oh, shit.
Huh?
No, not coyote. It was a hyena. I'm sorry.
Hyena.
There's hyenas out here.
There is here what he find is the baboons, or the Gelada baboons.
That's the one with the big teeth.
Yeah, and the
Okay.
bloody chest,
Okay.
red chest.
So I mean, there's nothing out here that can like attack us or nothing.
No,
Okay,
we will
alright.
go. You know, you see that mountain? Next to that mountain, when we back from the waterfall of the Portuguese Bridge, we will go to visit a lot of animals like
Okay.
the Gelada baboons.
That bird right there too.
Birds also, yes. Birds we will see here as a waterfall.
Okay. There's a lot of poop everywhere. So the monkeys are scared of humans, so every time we get near them, they keep running away. Are they afraid of us?
Slowly, yeah. Slowly.
road. Damn, that's the big one. Oh, here it goes. Yeah, see them teeth, man. It's moments like these that you can truly appreciate, like traveling. Coming here and just seeing this just magnificent beauty, like it just looks like something out of, you could say like, after Noah was on the boat for 40 days and 40 nights, and when he first opens up that door and you just see some beautiful landscape. Like, I mean, that's what it looked like being at the top of this mountain and just seeing like everything there. And so, like, again, this is part of the beauty of travel, just being able to see things that you could never believe or imagine, things that you wouldn't be able to see back home possibly unless you lived in a place like this. And it just puts things into perspective, and it just makes you be so appreciative of just life and nature and beauty and everything else of that kind. Now, I will admit the trip coming here to Debre Libanos from Addis Ababa was a bit rough. I mean, there was a lot of potholes. There was a lot of, the streets were in bad shape in a lot of places. Me and the driver were talking about that. It's something that they would like to try to work on, but it's not quite there yet, and you just have to go with it. It kind of reminds me of the trip going to the edge of the world in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and then also going to the San Blas Islands and Panama. Both of those places going on the roads was horrible too. But like once you get here, it's all worth it. I wouldn't not come back here in a heartbeat. I could care less about the roads. Like to see something like this is just absolutely beautiful. And then also just to see the religious aspects, which you will see coming up in a minute.
The Portuguese Bridge. There is the 16th century.
So 6th century?
16th.
6th century, okay. And what was the reason it was built for?
As a passage connect between this and the highland and the lowland. It is the only passage, you know, when it's filled during the rain season, you cannot pass, there's no way.
There is controversy about the origins of the so-called Portuguese Bridge. According to some, it was built in the 16th century by the Portuguese, but others say that it was built by Ras Daj, Emperor Menelik II's uncle, in the 19th century. After crossing the bridge, walk a short way along the side of the river, and you'll reach a large rock from where you can see a magnificent 600-meter waterfall.
All right, this place here, this is the restaurant, also like a hotel. Although he told me that regular tourists can't stay here I don't know if he said they can never stay here or just can't anymore, but this is the place that he says like $15 a night to stay. I had lunch here. The food was pretty good. However, one of the things that drove me crazy, I've never in my life had so many flies flying on me while I was eating a meal. Like, that part was a little bit frustrating. Took some getting used to. Like, every minute there was just something on my face, on my neck. Sometimes like 6, 8 flies at a time was driving me nuts. Next up, I went to the monastery, which was pretty cool. They also have a museum there where they have a bunch of ancient artifacts like crosses, Bibles, crowns, things throughout religious history that they've accumulated throughout the years. This is really great. This is just a sample taste of what the next episodes will be when I go to Lalibela, as far as the churches, monasteries, and things of that nature. So this was a great way to get my feet wet, and I really enjoyed it.
The 13th century monastery of Debre Libanos is located 130 kilometers from the capital, Addis Ababa. A trip to this ancient monastery offers a myriad of experiences for travelers. Founded by the Ethiopian Saint Tekle Haymanot, the monastery is a repository of medieval Orthodox Church history. Over its long history, the monastery has faced many challenges, but the worst occurred in the first half of the 20th century. In 1937, the Italian army destroyed the original church and carried out a massacre that claimed the lives of 800 monks, deacons, and lay worshippers. The modern church, with its domed roof and stained glass windows, remains an important pilgrimage site.
Every day I'm staying here, but the life you live here, you may not get many material. I don't have material, I don't have many things for me, but I have 1 minute a day, living here, like this, attending the service, good.
Okay.
At the place also, if you feel it, comfort inside. I did not, at the busy places, there is distraction, when you are hearing, listening, it is different. But here, as you see, it's very close, you stay with nature.
It's very peaceful.
Yeah. That's why I choose it.
Yeah, it's like when I was in the church, just saying like how strong their faith is and deep their devotion is and getting down and everything. Seems like they're like really serious about it.
At the time of service?
Yeah.
Yes. There are different services, by the way.
Okay.
There is time you stand in the tent. They say when they are preaching, you stand and listen to the preaching. If you can't, you can sit also. We do it according to our ability. Say, for example, I can't come at midnight, because I'm passing the day here with many. It's getting tired, I have to rest in my house. I can come in the morning and also attend the service in the afternoon now, or even outside, because see, there are microphones on the top of the church, you see? Microphones on the top of the church, you see? On the top of the church, microphones.
Mm-hmm.
Microphones for the sound.
Yeah.
Yes. So sometimes I stay outside also, waiting for visitors. If they come, I stay here and take them to the church, take them to the museum. Like that, I am passing here. He's a priest and a monk.
I'm going to Lalibela tomorrow.
Lalibela?
Yeah.
You have been there?
No, I'm going tomorrow.
Okay. I have to see it. Because very surprising, rocking churches from the 12th century. You'll not find that kind of church elsewhere in the world.
Yeah.
Very surprising.
That's why I want to go.
Yes.
So, I'm saying so long.
Salam, yeah.
So.
ከሩቅ መንገድ ነው የመጣ ነውና
People eat up the popcorn.
ሱዙኪ ዲዛይር አይነት ሱዙኪ ስዊፍቷን ቻለንጁ በጣም ከባድ ነው። ዳው ግን ያው ድሮ መስራት ነው።
All the base with onion, so we use onion, garlic, and this is paprika, and salt, and ginger and garlic mixed, and chickpea powder. This is chickpea powder. So in Ethiopian,
So that basically was like dried and crushed chickpeas.
dried and yes, like cooked in like like ground. So we start from the mostly Ethiopian cooking. We start from the from onion. So we start from onion. This is for you.
Alright.
So I'm gonna show you one, then you can do it. Like great. So now please come, bring it. Emma.
Okay.
This is shiro.
Okay.
Yeah, and most.
try it?
Yeah. In most Ethiopian house, you can find these things. In most Ethiopian house, no waste.
That's good because in America, it's the exact opposite. Right?
Yeah, the waste no. We don't waste here. በዛ በኩል ነው።
What's the maximum amount of people you can have for one cooking class?
4.
4?
Yes.
Okay.
But last time we made it for 9 people.
Whoa.
Yes, they came from Brazil. I will show you some pictures.
Okay.
Because I have a nice garden. Some
Okay.
of they sit, they wait. Some of they go to cook injera. We can split them,
Okay.
Yes. So make it quick because we don't need that things, Yes. Break it if it's big. Break it there. Yeah. So your hand, you feel it. If it's thick, you put more water. But the sauce should be like,
Not too thick, not
yes,
too liquid.
Yes. Yes.
Just use my hand?
Yes, of course.
Do you grow any fruits or vegetables yourself?
Yes.
Okay. What do you grow?
This. አባ ቃሪያ በል ሂድ ቃሪያ አምጣልን።
Do I need to grab that one?
You made joke for me? Okay.
No, I get it, man. I understand it.
It's not just because you don't have to throw anything, When we buy, I take you we don't buy on the supermarket. There is markets, yeah. You saw, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I buy what I need,
Right.
Yeah, because it's not good. Okay, now close this. We close for oil. And come. So this is at the top, So the green, chili, or pepper. So. Yeah.
How much?
No. Yes. A little bit more. Yes.
Okay.
በዛ በኩል ነው። Yes, that's it. Then you put here. Yes. 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 Then here.
Just
Stir you. No.
Oh, sorry.
Yes,
Okay. All right, so stir in the middle and go
Yeah.
around, right?
No, from here.
And go
Yes.
inside. Okay.
Slowly. Yes. Good. 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 Go. Good. Good. Go.
So go.
Yes.
I'm not gonna run out of mix.
Yes. Yeah, you put one more.
Finish. እንደዛ መጋገር አይችልም መሰለኝ። ፈረንጅ ነው።
በጣም በቅጥም ያለ ነው የምታችሁ። በስመ አብ ወልድ ምን ሆናችሁ ነው? Yes. Okay. So now you close it. Yes.
How many people get it right on the very first try?
Sorry?
How many people do it right the very first time?
Not a lot of people, to be honest. Yeah. I never see some there is. Last time the chef from Brazil, he do it perfectly.
Really?
He just see it, and he do it perfectly. Yeah.
But you said he was a chef.
He's a chef.
So
he's a chef.
he cheated.
He's a chef.
tiny chef?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's tiny chef.
You know he knows how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we wait for 2 minutes.
It's a chef.
So this is to remove it.
Okay.
Yeah. We wait.
This could be like a hat.
Yeah. Now I think it's ready. Yes. Where is your? I give you the towel. Okay.
I think I left it up front.
Okay. So
Can I use this one?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, sorry.
Ready, steady, go.
Ready? Go. Yes.
እንደዛ ነው።
Yes.
አሁን
Yes. Here.
አሁን
So just try to.
Yes.
I'm scared to touch it.
Yeah.
use it.
Great. Good. Good.
Abi mata.
Good. 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 Go. Go. You made perfectly, man.
Yeah.
Yes. Now you have to touch it.
Why?
So let me show you how to wash first. So you. Got me? I know it's very tricky, but yes. Good.
You know, the coffee, the taste on, they say on the cover, we don't make it just to make it like only the dirty, yeah? Yes. And then you make Don't waste. Don't waste. Yeah.
Busy falling off.
Yeah. So look.
Want to grab these two?
Yes, yes, of course, of course. No, no, we don't waste anything. You know. I can compliment it.
Can you just like start and show me, and then?
Amma,
No, okay.
Nay Mari. Yes. Yes. Mari. Now faster. Faster, faster, faster. She will show you one more time. Mari say you. So one more time. Okay, now you do it, okay?
Alright. I'm gonna open up my own Ethiopian coffee shop when I
Where?
get back to the United States.
Yeah? Good. Good. Zalo. You say you're good.
I was worried because one fell out. Right? So are you basically like burning it?
Huh?
Are you basically like burning it to the point that it's almost burnt?
No, like brownish.
Okay.
Not very, very, very dark, but yes, of course. Now make it right.
It's like popcorn.
See now the smell?
Yeah, this one. All right. Oh, you know what?
Yeah. Like this, yeah?
So keep it at the same angle.
Okay.
So keep it like this.
Yes. No. Put. Yeah, it's hot. No.
Oh,
Yes,
just
yeah,
do it.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, fill it all the way up.
Good. Go. Go. No. Ethiopian culture. No, not half. That's it. Now the second one. Yes. No.
No?
No, because you disturb it. That's why. Go. Okay, go.
Well, I want to
Yes.
dry up.
Yes.
Okay.
That?
Yeah.
Yes, for him. You're the first. تقبل بيه نبرنا عندنا
Alright, so you get the leaf too? Or?
Yes. Up to you if you want.
Oh, okay. I'll try it normal first.
Yes. That's.
Okay. So she will give you the rates. If you cook well, she will gonna give you certificate.
Okay.
Okay. She will come and taste it now.
Okay.
So only this is our injera. This is you cook. This is you cook. All you cook from the. So, no more. Good.
Dun.
So place. So
Thank you to come in the cook for us.
Thank you for having me.
مسرت
ننفر
مسرت Cheers.
Good, I already drink, so I ain't have to drink it all at once.
You want one? What?
برش
Have a wonderful family, by the way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I don't know about the dog, but no.
He also good. He doing his job.
So what do you do?
Just when you get 3, you win like that. No,
3 the same?
all the same. You make it.
2
No, you don't have to. And you calculate. You calculate. Let's say I got 6, 4, 2,
ها يو
6.
برو
Is kid game.
Okay. So is it like,
Calculating.
so that's
6.
12
No. 4 times 2
is 8?
6
6.
4 times 2?
4 plus 2.
Oh, 4, okay, alright.
Sorry. 6. So go. Go. You go.
oh
Alright, so I'll do this. Do I show it to you?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. 10. You have a 10 here.
it is the go
So no 10, so just sit it down.
3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. No,
8.
you don't have.
Okay, so just sit it down.
It's
Okay.
10. Go.
10
Yes. He goes. 10.
You cheat. No.
He go 10. Go.
nothing
9. Yes. You can't sum 4. Okay.
So,
4
Oh,
plus 3.
so you got to make this match this.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So do I just put this with this, or
Yes.
Okay, all right.
No, you can one more.
So then the next time, do I have to get something that adds up to these 3, or
No.
Okay,
go
I'm still on one of yours.
Yes.
Let's see. I'll get this one.
no
No.
3. You don't have. You see.
Okay.
Okay, 10.
I gotta watch him. Or
8. You mean?
so do you keep going until all the cards are used up?
Yes.
Or? Okay.
7. Oh, I take from 7 from you.
there you go
That's not fair.
Yeah, I just tell you. It's weird.
what you do
I feel like y'all in cahoots with one another.
5.
So I can take yours?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I like this game again now. So I'm currently here taking a Ethiopian cooking class. Just finished eating and all. But tell us a little bit about what your name is, a little bit about your touring company, and what you offer for anybody that's coming to Ethiopia.
So my name is Yonijigu. I'm the founder and the owner of Blue Ethiopia Tours. So we do tour we cover all over Ethiopia. So we do starting from 1 day excursions, day trip, also multi-day tours. So we do provide like historical tours, cultural tour to Omo Valley, in adventure to the Denakles. So we design for individual, also for the group. So we specialized to do like also we this food tour, coffee. This also cooking class. Also we do business. So we design all kind of tour in Ethiopia. We cover
city tour too, right?
City tour, day tours from Addis Ababa, and yeah, we cover. We are licensed, official licensed under Ministry of Tourism. So we are young and very motivated young people. So do works. Yes. Thank you.
And you also do car rentals, right?
Yeah, we do also car rental.
Okay.
Yes, we do car rental, and we have office in Best Western Hotel in Addis Ababa.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's one of the chain hotel in the world. So we have downtown 2 offices there. So we do morning and afternoon everyday departure tours. So for the people who can for the short time also, they can book us. This is also one of our specialty tours. We are the only one who provide this cooking class in Addis Ababa. So we teach starting from the scratch. We show and cook together with the people, and finally we give a certificate if you do it well.
Yeah, so if you come to Ethiopia, I definitely suggest looking him up. I'll leave the information below. Are you on social media, Instagram or anything?
Media, in Instagram, Ethiopia Tours, in Facebook, also Ethiopia Tours, and we have a website also. Directly, they can contact us.
All right, I'll leave the information below. And also, definitely do the cooking tour. Not only is the food and cooking great, but also he has like the most amazing family as well, so you really enjoy yourself.
On the next episode of Ken's Travels, Ken travels to the rock-hemmed churches of Lalibela, Ethiopia. The churches were created as the New Jerusalem for those who could not make pilgrimage to the Holy Land. Made from volcanic rock, many say angels helped create the churches. For those into Christianity, religion, or just curious about the churches or Lalibela in general, these next two episodes are a must-watch.